So right now I will be discussing about the server, most uses server. What is most uses server actually? So it's a web server. uh, I think when I discuss about server, so that's why you can clear and clearing the concept actually. So web server, which tool are you uses the web server, like that Apache, okay, Apache, Nginx, Tomcat, Lightspeed, etc. Okay, I think you can understand. Apache is a popular web server, Nginx also popular web server, Tomcat is also popular, and everything is also popular web server. So DNS server, DNS, domain name service server, okay, who is tool package uses bind shell, bind, bind, power DNS, etc. Second things, okay, database server. MySQL is a popular web server, database server, sorry, database server. MariaDB, okay. Then email server, what is this? Email server is a postfix, exim, etc. Then file server, Samba, NFS, okay. Then proxy server, proxy, okay, proxy, proxy. Then VPN, server, open VPN, then monitoring, monitoring server, then backup server, then CI/CD server, then container server. It's also actually a lot of server, but I will discuss some server like that. CI/CD, that means continuously integration and continuously monitoring server. Backup server, okay, just decorated. CI/CD, that means, okay, open VPN monitoring server, also Grafana, Kibana, okay, backup server, Bakula, yeah. CI/CD server. It's also Jenkins, Git, Jenkins, GitLab, also GitLab, also CI/CD server, container server. Okay, Docker, Postman, Kubernetes. Okay, it's also actually web server, DNS server, database server, email server, file server, proxy server, VPN server, monitoring server, backup server, and CI/CD server, like that. Okay, firewall server. Log server, follower server, have a UFW, pfSense, log server, ELK, and is the last the storage server, who is data storage is I think it's on cloud, next cloud server. Okay, so I'll be discuss about the summary. Most users is a server and a cyber security, embedded system is on TV, television, and gaming, computing, and gaming. So that's why I'll be discuss about the web server. One the best biggest users of Linux in the web server, Nginx, Lightspeed, Apache, run mostly on the Linux website like Google, Facebook, and Wikipedia really on the Linux based, and 24/7 it's online. Linux popular web server because it's stable, safe, and don't need to restart often. It's the most users actually web server. So the basic cases development and programming. Linux is a favorite among to the programmer and likable software for the programming, and every developer like to support many programming languages and offer the powerful tool coding, testing, and automation. Many software developer prefer the Linux writing code, building apps, and working technology like the Git and Docker and Kubernetes. So that's why you have the common and best choiceable a programmer. So another things is cyber security. It's a good, I will be already discussed, but cyber security is widely used the cyber security field. Ethical hackers and security expert. The likable OS is the Linux distribution like Kali OS, Parrot OS, testing system, finding weakness, improve the safety. Those tools come for the hundred of building the program and network analysis, password cracking, etc., and finding vulnerability is used to the cyber security. So important things is cloud computing, AWS like that, Azure, most cloud platform including Amazon Web Service, Azure, Linux based server, development engineer and the DevOps engineer also really on the Linux, manage the infrastructure, run script, and develop code tool like that Jenkins, Ansible, or Terraform. So I think is cloud computing is most interface. Then second is IoT. Many smart device from the against industrial machine run Linux based because it's a lightweight and flexible system, like Raspberry Pi, which is often used to IoT project and Linux power and smart target and session. And another users, so I forget it actually, is a personal users, per okay, personal uses it's very important. Not only server, it's also personal uses. So most people using Linux, their desktop and laptop distribution like Ubuntu, Linux Mini, Jerry OS are user friendly and come from the built-in apps, web browsing, writing and media. Linux are popular among to student programming, and it is a hobby like that. So Ubuntu desktop, Ubuntu desktop. Okay, so I can at last saying the education and many school and university teach their student Linux basis and Linux basis computer. Most of the things Linux is used everywhere. Involves server, cloud, smart device, desktop, and even space research, flexible power, and open source natural making a favorite choice technology and behind. Whether and bringing a run professional, so I think Linux is a place for you. So I think you learn more Linux. I will be discuss the next topic next video. Thank you for the most summary Linux most uses, and I discusses some features. Okay, it's a spelling mistake, sorry. Okay, next cloud, CLO. Okay, next cloud server. So you uses some web server also. I will discuss about some web server, which server provide a service, web service like that, content etc. So that's why it's a web service, domain name service, database service, email service, file service, proxy service, VPN service, monitoring server, backup server, CI/CD server, container server, firewall server, log server, RSY. Okay, and storage server. So that's why I think you can understand. So please write a comment for the note section or comment section. Thank you all students.